The video, another review, and well, you can't see anything, so I'm just gonna unbox it, the first box. Put in the comments before I unbox this what you think it is. So let's do this. So basically, it is a white box. So you know how I have this white screen? It's more for standing up and not reviews, because now it looks kind of bad, right? Because you can't get those wrinkles out, you can only get the top wrinkles out. So it's for more like a standing video. This is for unboxing videos. So I'm doing an unboxing video of something that's for LED. It's actually not a white box, it's an LED shooting tent kit. Kit, not kick. Okay, so we have some sheets. I'm guessing that's for the background of it. That's pretty cool. Oh, okay, I understand. So, here is the plug. Plug this in, then you have a little dial right here. You can dial, because, you know, it's a dial. Right here. I was like, what the heck? So, boom. Schlock. So now, here's the process. Okay. A little bit of a frustration to put that together, only because, like, I don't know. Yep, I don't know. And then, and untie this. Boom. Okay, this is the on and off button. Ooh. Case